Hola everyone! ¿Cómo estás? I meant hello everyone, how are you? Today I will be taking you to Mexico with our dish, the Nacho Bake. Sounds exciting, right? So come on and let's get started. In a hot pan, let's saute our ground meat. You may use ground beef, ground pork, or ground chicken for this. Now, let's add in our soy sauce. And our garlic powder, freshly ground black pepper, ginisa mix for some umami taste, and my favorite, paprika, cayenne pepper for some kick of spiciness, and taco seasoning for some Mexican taste. Now let's add in a tablespoon of tomato paste. Next, our banana ketchup. I prefer banana ketchup because it gives a sweeter taste compared to the tomato ketchup. And sugar, you may use white sugar or brown sugar. Now, I wanted to give a little more sauce, so I will add in some spaghetti sauce. I just noticed I kept using the word some. Uy, ikaw some ha? I'm no longer available. Just mix it and simmer for a few minutes and set it aside as we prepare our cheese sauce. In a saucepan, let's melt our butter or margarine. Once that's melted, let's add in our flour. And we will add paprika for some reddish color. And our evaporated milk. And to complete our sauce, let's add in our cheese bread. And of course, you may add more if you want. Just cook it until our sauce thickens. To complement the flavors of our meat and cheese sauce, let's make a salsa mixture. It is just very easy. We will combine the corn kernels, cucumber, tomatoes, and white onions. Can I use red onions? Well, yes, it's okay, but it's just that red onions gives a stronger taste. And let's add a little salt. And a squeeze of lemon. Well, you may use calamansi juice anyway. And I have here chopped parsley, but it's better if you use cilantro. But if you don't have any, then it's fine. In a baking dish, let's assemble our ingredients. Our meat sauce at the bottom, followed by our salsa. And let's pour over our cheese sauce and spread it evenly. I'll grate some quick melt cheese on top. And let's bake it until the cheese melts. Let's grab a bag or two of nacho chips And I intentionally did not include this in baking because for sure the chips will get soggy. We wanted to enjoy crunchy nachos in every bite. We will just take a chip and dip into our Nacho Bake. So come on and let's dig in. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and see you next time.